Hey all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Anita. I used to upload art and craft videos every once in 2 days. So in today's video, we're going to see about Madhubani or mithilai painting. I've already uploaded a fusion of Madhubani and mandala painting in the previous video. But in today's video, we're going to see about the Madhubani painting and the main characters takes place in it. As it's going to be the beginner's video, it's going to be really simple. And also we are going to learn a little bit about the Madhubani painting and its origin. So without further ado, let's quickly get into the video. For this project, I have taken A5 sheet drawing paper and a normal black gel pen to draw the characters. So as I said earlier, I've taken some 4 to 5 main characters in this painting. We'll draw them one by one. As it's going to be the beginner's video, I'm not going to give any intricate designs or coloring for these characters. We'll just do the coloring in the background and make this in black gel. So the first character I'm drawing here is the bird or cuckoo. So whenever it comes to Madhubani painting, there would be a double line border for all the characters in it. So we'll see a little bit about this art. So Madhubani or mithilai painting is a traditional Indian painting practiced by the people of Mithila, part of Bihar. So it's famous for geometrical figures and the human figures. But later on, it has been transferred to the animals and birds. People used to paint this art on walls for occasions like marriages and religious Indian festivals. The Madhubani painting is known for its intricate designs and the colors. In olden days, people used to extract the colors from natural dyes such as plants and food items. So that's the small glimpse of this painting. Now we'll go ahead and paint the background with the colors. So here I'm taking orange color to paint this background. I'm not going to give any shadings or anything. We're just going to paint it with a plain orange color. So that's the final look of this first painting. Our next character is going to be peacock fish. This is a quite famous character or drawing in Madhubani painting. So same as the previous one, we are going to draw this with a black pen and paint the background with some bright color. So that's the final look of this peacock. Hope you all enjoyed watching and learned something useful from this video. Thanks for watching till this point. We'll meet in the part 2. Until then, bye.